Okay.
Play me some Baby Cool.
Okay, you wanna say this? No, play me some Baby Cool. Look at this. You choose one. Jim on DJ, next radio. Let's get it simple. Look at the TV.
I just met her today. And I like the fact that Carol has said never face your Carol because I've never met Carol before. And that's the reason why I decided Carol Emperor of the number one or the possessor. Because I mean, if you do not talk to people like me, if I don't talk to people like you, then that means music has no talent. Okay? Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you. Other people go and take a Timothy Salah Karo Masina Corado. Anyway. Choka Makaro, Afune Corabo Baby. Actually, not to be satisfied. Hi, Carol.
Hi, baby.
You know, I'm sorry to say, but definitely the truth is, I did not know who you look like, but I knew the name. Before I came here, I was told, name was Akaiwage. Karo Kasita Elinya Dimani. Aimba Nyimbachi. Nebamulira oluyimba olumu kuzensinga okuzina tizobulaki. Now, for sure, that shows nti abayimbi abapya oba abato bateekawo akasenge wakati waabwe n'abayimbi abakulu. You need to walk to people like us. We need to know nompa n'oluyimba n'ongamba bebe nsapootinga kushingula oluyimba n'onsaba okuyimba ekololo oba kuserena. You need to come. You need to be. Never kugoba emirundi 10. Keep coming. Because the struggle, struggle. When I went to struggle in Nairobi, yowali oli mulubuto. So kwetosobola kutambula butambuzi nojja n'olinyawa kuserena. Now we know quality struggle. But for you, you're lucky. Your struggle is just to keep coming to me, asking. Okay? So, why don't you just keep going to Chameleon, go to Juliana, go to this person, but it is just going to them insisting. 1 year, 2 years, in 3 years. What? Spice Diana. Can I tell you about Spice Diana? Spice Diana walked to me 4 years ago. Nansaba kolabo okumala emyezi emeka ebiri. Nengamba Spice Diana, genda okole bwe nalaba ng'olina w'otuuseeko, I will call you first. But I am so proud of Spice Diana because aze aleese. Okay? So don't be surprised when that happens. And Carol, I didn't know that that's you. So when they told me that that's the girl on that bar for the last this long, I said, oh, so that's why you need to keep communicating and going to people you need. Mugende, abavuka mugende ewa abantu abalina kyemwagala. Mulekerawo okwekwatakwata. Okay? Kale, nza okufuna kahaga. Wenje opaka ba sister sina sabaka abali era tompana kaba sister ompaka dota omubameta tata alpha rasta obompita daddy. We started the crowd. Okay. What's the name of that beautiful song?
Yaka.
Wamauka chorus katu.
Kuwa yaka. Kuwa yaka. Kuwa yaka. Kuwa yaka. Kuwa yaka. Mbada.
Thank you so much, Carol. Thank you so much. And I wish you the very best, but you're a very good person. But I'll give you a banana, okay? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to waste a lot of your time, Mr. DJ. I love you so much. Big up and thanks for having Baby Cool. And be here every night of Wednesday is an artist, because you need to ask them questions. Now, people power. Now, I'm going to tell me, I'm going to